Hi everyone, I believe we have had quite a bit of time to reflect and do the exercise on ourselves. So now, on this video, I will explain how to do this exercise in a quick and efficient way, as well as do a test run for you all to see. First, of course, you open the browser to the website, then you type in your username, you type in your password, you click login, then you click on the button for work items. Once you go there, you check for, first of all, you have to check to see if only page available, or if there are more pages, or if it is the currently last page. Then, if is the last page, then you just stop process. Then you go, but if it's not the last page, you will go ahead and process the data table that appear by using extract structured data. For this exercise, you can use JavaScript, you can use XPath, or you can use akaBot activity. In this video, I will show how to use it using akaBot activities. So you can extract structured data. This will extract all of the data table as well as the URL for each work items. Then for each row and data, you will check to see if the type of the item equals WI4. So this is what you need to search for. If it does, then you'll go ahead and process this work item. For this one, you can either navigate and open a new browser using the URL retrieved using extract structured data, as well as you can also just get the URL yourself by using the ID of the work item as well. So once you open the correct work item, you will type into the comment or the note. You click select, then you click reject it, then you click update. Then you go ahead and enter, and then the browser will close, and then you go back to process the next row of data table. Once all of the data has been processed, you keep checking for the next page, or if it is the last page. If it is the last page, you will click logout, and then you're done. So here is a good example of how it will look. It will go ahead and log in. And once it is logged in, it will click on work items. It will loop through all of these, and then here, as you can see, the format of the URL will contain the work item ID. And that's all you need to search for. And go ahead and go to the next rows of data. Once you see one that you need to process, you will add comment and update status and update. This will loop through until you find the last page and there are no more work items left. So I think for more efficient processing of data, if you have an URL that gets you exactly where you need instead of having to clicking on each in every row. I think navigating to the correct URL will save you a lot more time. It is, I think, more efficient. You just keep clicking, going through until the last page. This is a perfect exercise on using browser and using logic, since I think for the most part, most new developers will try to click onto each work item and then going back, which will take up a lot of their time trying to navigate and trying to look for what to click on. This will save a lot more time, and you'll spend a lot less time trying to click, and you will have that time to figure out how to organize your workflow in an easier way to maintain, an easier way to reuse. Once it reaches the last page, it will log out and it will close the browser. And our process is done running. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.